Today we're making seared mahi mahi with lemon garlic butter sauce that'll have you feeling like you're on vacation, even if you're just standing in your socks next to a pile of dirty dishes. And let me tell you this, from fridge to plate in under 25 minutes, crispy, buttery, flaky mahi mahi with a sauce that deserves its own trophy. Alright, let's do this. I've got 4 gorgeous mahi mahi fillets right here, firm, flaky, and just begging to be transformed. First thing you're gonna do is pat those bad boys dry. Why? Because moisture is the enemy of the sear. And we're not steaming fish today, we're giving it that golden restaurant quality crust. Now season both sides generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little paprika. Smoked paprika if you're feeling spicy, and don't be shy, this fish can handle flavor. Now here's where the magic happens. We're going stainless steel, baby. Heat that dry skillet until it's hot enough to make a drop of water do the cha-cha. Then add your olive oil and a little butter, swirl it around, and gently lay down those fillets presentation side first. That's the side you want facing up when it lands on your plate. Let it sizzle, do not touch it. I repeat, hands off, honey. Let it do its thing for about 3 to 4 minutes until it naturally releases. If it's sticking, it's not ready. Flip and go another 2 to 3 minutes. By now, your kitchen should smell like you're hosting a dinner party for Poseidon himself. Now, remove your fish and lower the heat. Toss in more butter because obviously, minced garlic, lemon zest, and a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Let that bubble gently for a minute. Then stir in chopped parsley and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you want a little attitude. Pour that garlicky, lemony, buttery goodness over the mahi mahi and just stand there for a second. Take it in, admire yourself, because you just made something chef level at home on a Wednesday in slippers. Hit that like button, subscribe to Kelvin's Kitchen, and comment below with your favorite seafood dish. And of course, don't forget to visit kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe, tips, and more little flavor bombs for your life. Catch you next time, my loves. Keep it crispy, keep it soulful.